This is the F-35 Lightning II, one of the most technologically advanced fighter jets ever built.
Flight control systems stabilize extreme maneuvers automatically.
Internal missile systems provide air-to-air and air-to-ground precision strikes.
Networked data sharing allows F-35s to operate as a connected combat force. The F-35B variant can perform short takeoff and vertical landing operations. The Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine delivers immense thrust and acceleration.
The AN/APG-81 AESA radar tracks multiple targets simultaneously with precision.
The helmet-mounted display gives the pilot real-time targeting and situational awareness. Weapons are stored internally to preserve stealth while maintaining lethal capability. Its stealth design minimizes radar cross-section, allowing it to operate undetected in hostile airspace. Electronic warfare capabilities disrupt and deceive enemy radar systems.
Its aerodynamic design ensures exceptional agility in combat. Through secure data links, it shares intelligence instantly with allied forces.
Advanced infrared sensors enable dominance in nighttime missions. Its engine produces over 40,000 pounds of thrust. Air-to-air refueling extends its operational range across vast distances.
Its distributed aperture system provides full 360-degree visibility around the aircraft.
Special radar-absorbing materials further reduce its visibility to enemy sensors.
Inside the cockpit, a panoramic touchscreen display replaces traditional analog instruments.
Pilots access mission data instantly through intuitive digital controls.
Every mechanical component is engineered for precision and resilience.
The F-35C is designed for aircraft carrier operations.
The F-35 can exceed supersonic speeds with stability.
Sensor fusion combines data into a single, clear, tactical picture.
Allied nations around the world operate the F-35.
Precision-guided weapons ensure accurate engagement of targets.
It dominates high-altitude combat zones.
Reinforced landing gear ensures durability in naval environments.
Automated diagnostics simplify maintenance and reduce downtime. Every angle is engineered to minimize radar reflection.
Advanced night vision capabilities enhance combat readiness.
Efficient fuel systems extend operational endurance. Cyber resilience protects mission-critical systems.
Integrated computing systems assist pilots in real-time decision-making. Target tracking remains precise, even at extreme speeds.
The F-35 ensures security across diverse mission profiles.
Built to withstand harsh environmental conditions.
Countermeasure systems protect against incoming threats.
Terrain following capability allows low-level penetration missions.
Its silhouette represents the future of air power. Extended range ensures mission flexibility worldwide.
Its design merges speed, stealth, and intelligence.
Coordination between crew and pilot ensures flawless execution.
Mission planning integrates seamlessly with aircraft systems.
Compared to older fighters, its radar footprint is dramatically reduced.
Acceleration is instantaneous and commanding.
Precision targeting increases mission success rates.
Cooperative engagement enhances combat effectiveness.
Advanced safety systems monitor pilot and aircraft health.